Welcome to Hambalung Studio, where we bring you the most inspiring and beautifully curated home tours. Today, we're stepping inside a world where cozy meets luxury, and rustic charm intertwines seamlessly with minimalist elegance. Imagine walking into a space where every corner tells a story, and your home inside feels like a warm embrace, a place that's not just lived in, but deeply experienced. In this exclusive 2025 house tour, we'll explore a home that embodies the essence of cozy minimalist luxury with carefully crafted rustic elements. From sunlit living rooms with reclaimed wood accents to serene kitchens that balance functionality and style, every space has been thoughtfully designed to make you feel grounded, comfortable, and inspired. Whether you're hunting for decor ideas or simply love discovering stunning interiors, this tour promises a feast for your senses. So, stay with us as we uncover the hidden details that make this house truly special. Soft textures, warm lighting, elegant furnishings, and those subtle rustic touches that bring character to every room. By the end of this tour, you'll not only see the design, but you'll feel the warmth and coziness that defines a modern luxury home inside. Grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's step inside this captivating blend of cozy, rustic, and minimalist elegance. The heart of cozy minimalist luxury. Welcome to the heart of this cozy minimalist luxury house, the living room. Imagine stepping into a space where clean, modern lines meet the warmth of rustic charm. Here, natural textures like reclaimed wood, soft linen fabrics, and subtle earthy tones create a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. To achieve this look, start with a neutral base. Think creamy walls, light oak floors, and a soft, minimalist sofa. Layer in rustic elements like a handcrafted coffee table, a stone fireplace, or woven baskets to give your living space character without clutter. Lighting plays a huge role. Opt for warm, ambient lighting with elegant rustic chandeliers or minimalist floor lamps to enhance the cozy atmosphere. Add small cozy touches like plush throws, scented candles, or a curated bookshelf to make the room feel lived in and warm. Your home inside should feel like a sanctuary, a place where simplicity meets comfort. And if you're loving this cozy minimalist luxury vibe so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home inspiration, and share it with fellow decor lovers. Let's create a community that celebrates cozy, rustic elegance together. rustic meets minimalist functionality. Next, we step into the kitchen, a space where form meets function in the most elegant way. The kitchen in a cozy minimalist luxury home is all about simplicity, yet it radiates warmth through rustic touches. Think smooth marble countertops paired with wooden cabinetry, matte black fixtures, and open shelving showcasing rustic ceramics. When designing your kitchen, focus on maximizing natural light. Large windows with simple linen drapes or wooden blinds keep the space bright and airy. Incorporate cozy accents like a butcher block island or a rustic wooden dining counter where friends and family can gather, making the home inside feel truly welcoming. Add subtle pops of decor, like a bowl of fresh fruits or a cluster of herbs on the counter. These small details not only enhance the rustic aesthetic, but also make your kitchen feel vibrant and lived in. If you're inspired to bring this cozy minimalist luxury kitchen into your home, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends who love home decor. We're building a community of rustic, cozy design enthusiasts, and we'd love to have you as part of it. Elegance meets rustic warmth. Welcome to the dining area, a space designed for connection, conversation, and celebration. In a cozy minimalist luxury home, the dining area strikes a balance between elegance and rustic charm. A reclaimed wooden dining table paired with simple, modern chairs can instantly create a welcoming atmosphere. Consider pendant lighting with a rustic finish above the table to draw the eye and set the mood. Layer in cozy textures with a natural fiber rug or linen napkins to bring a sense of warmth. Minimalist decor like a vase with fresh flowers or a handcrafted centerpiece keeps the space uncluttered while adding personality. This is a space that encourages you to linger, savor meals, and enjoy the feeling of being home inside a cozy, yet luxurious environment. And remember, if you're enjoying this tour and picking up ideas for your own rustic, cozy spaces, subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us continue bringing you beautiful home inspiration. Serenity with Rustic Luxury. Now, let's enter the bathroom, a sanctuary of calm in this cozy minimalist luxury house. The key to a rustic-inspired bathroom is a soothing color palette, natural materials, and an uncluttered layout. Think soft stone countertops, wooden vanities, and woven baskets for towels and toiletries. Enhance the cozy feel with warm lighting, perhaps with antique-inspired sconces or minimalistic pendant lamps. Natural textures, like stone tiles or wood accents, bring the rustic element to life without compromising the clean, minimalist aesthetic. A few small touches, like a plush bath mat, aromatic candles, or indoor plants, can turn this space into a luxurious retreat where you can unwind after a long day. Remember, even in a minimalist design, the details are what make your home inside feel personal and cozy. If you're enjoying this peek into rustic, cozy luxury, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you never miss another home inside tour or design tip. Join our community of design lovers who appreciate the art of cozy elegance. Rustic charm meets minimalist outdoor living. Finally, let's step outside into the garden, a perfect blend of rustic charm and minimalist luxury. Here, simplicity meets nature. Wooden decking, stone pathways, and a few well-chosen plants can transform your outdoor area into a cozy retreat. Consider rustic seating like a wooden bench or a pergola adorned with climbing vines. Add minimalist touches with clean lines in planters, garden furniture, or subtle lighting that creates a magical evening atmosphere. Small cozy elements like throw blankets, lanterns, or a fire pit make the space inviting and perfect for gatherings. Your garden should feel like an extension of the home inside, a serene and beautiful space that reflects the cozy minimalist luxury lifestyle. If you've loved this tour from living room to garden and are inspired to bring these rustic, cozy touches into your own home, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join our growing community of design enthusiasts, and let's create homes that feel luxurious yet deeply inviting together. A complete journey through this cozy minimalist luxury house, where rustic elements and thoughtful design come together to create a home inside that's as inviting as it is stylish. From the living room to the garden, we've seen how clean lines, natural textures, and warm, cozy touches can transform any space into a sanctuary that feels both luxurious and lived in. If you loved exploring this home as much as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Handcrafted Studio, and share this tour with your friends and family. Join our growing community of design enthusiasts, and let's continue to celebrate homes that combine rustic charm, cozy comfort, and timeless elegance. Stay tuned, because the next home tour is just around the corner, and you won't want to miss it.